20. So we go to 21. And it says, upon removing the tefillin, one should put the tefillin in a pouch in the way that it was that he will know the next day to take it out shaliyat first. So just my advice, just remember, whatever is easier for you. For me, I keep it from the right side always. I've been doing it for like so many years. So I just automatically, right? I do it on the right side, and when I open the zipper, so it is right there. Okay. So meaning when you put it in the pouch, pay attention what you're doing. Since the shell yad is also put on first, it is important to encounter the shell yad first, so that the one will not remove, will not have to bypass the shell rosh, in order to put shell yad first. Okay. So that basically, as we said, it's not proper to bypass mitzvah, but if I know it's in my right corner, so that's there is no bypassing the mitzvah. I'm going straight to that tefillin. So there is no problem, even though they're next to each other.
Wait, a question. So over here, I don't think we got to it yet, but when it says that you have to put the shell rosh side to side, you're not allowed to put the shell yad on top of the shell rosh, right?
No, but they put side to side. No, why would you put on top of?
I know, but someone can just stuff it inside the tefillin bag. I'm just saying as an example. That's the halakha that's in my kitzur. My question is, what about also putting the shell rosh on the right side, since the right is seen as stronger, for example, or is that?
It's up to you on what side you're going to put it. That does not make any difference. The make difference that you do not bypass. If you put it on the right side and it's more convenient to you, so somehow, I'm going to tell you what. So I have two bags, right? One bag for tefillin and one bag for talis, and one closes this way and one closes another way. Don't ask me why. So, but that's how it was made. So I don't know. So I got so used to, so that's what I do. I put it on the right side because it closes to or opens to the left.
Got it.
You understand? Maybe if it would be opposite, I would do opposite, but that's that's what I do. The main point is to take the shell yad first. So commentary. The prohibition. Just let me drink some water. Sorry, I already said bracha.
No problem.
Okay, so the prohibition of passing by a mitzvah applies not only to the first time in the day that one puts on tefillin, but also when he is putting on them back, after taking them off temporarily. Okay. For example, if he has to go to the bathroom. When he has to go to the bathroom, he does not rub them. So when he comes back, so basically in this case, do not put one on top of the other. So basically, you keep them separate. That's even when one takes the tefillin off temporarily, care should be taken to put them down in such a way that he will encounter the shell yad before the shell rosh. Okay, so the idea is understandable. So try not to mix them. Okay, continue. However, this should not be done by putting shell yad on top of shell rosh. Okay, exactly as you said. Since the holiness of the shell rosh exceeds the shell yad, rather he should place them alongside each other. Commentary, and I have very interesting comment. So let's see Mishnah Berurah writes, the shell yat should be placed on the right side. Okay, you see exactly as I do it. See, I don't know why I was doing it. Maybe because of this, I guess. I don't know. And slightly closer to the opening of the pouch. Or that's why the pouch opens like that. So that he will encounter it first. So like when I opens right, it's open from right to left. And that's why my tefillin first. But very interesting. I saw in Israel. It was very popular. This like tefillin and talis bag, and it was make like I don't know what do you call like an army thermos. So it's round, and you put tefillin one on top of the other for sure. Otherwise, they're not going to fit. And talis like round. It's like this big, like different styles and stuff like that. So in this case, for sure, that's how they would. But that's the problem. That's exactly the problem. They would put one on top of the other. They cannot put shell yat on shell rosh, right? I don't know, but okay. So I haven't seen no like religious like Haredim doing this. Like they would not use this kind of bag, but all of these more modern people would use it. Okay, continue. Very interesting. So I mean, so for them maybe it's cool thing, maybe this and that, but it's I'm just thinking about it. There is no way. It's not that big. There is no way to put it like them side by side. Okay. The pouch, sorry, the pouch with which tefillin should be placed deep inside, toward the back of the talis bag. Deep inside the back of the talis bag. The talis should be toward the front, so that he should encounter the talis first in up on the opening. Okay, that's what we do. So the talis you put on first, so you don't wanna bypass tefillin. So as we said before, if he takes tefillin out, I mean he's talking to somebody, right? Whatever. So he has to put tefillin first. So that's why we put talis like closer to the end, to the top. So you always take the talis first.